very much looking forward to this little project here. So this is the console out of my i30 Fastback N. Well, to pull this out, you literally just grab it here, just tug it out, and it just literally just comes straight off. And then there's a few connectors you have to sort of undo here off the harness, there. Well, to get the gear knob off, you literally just hold on it tightly and just pull it up. It just comes up. Watch out for the lube. It goes kind of goes a bit everywhere. And then watch out for the spring that sort of shoots out. But anyway, here it is. The idea is to wrap this in some sort of suede alcantara material and run an LED strip through this crevice here.
Good Lord. So.
Sorry that I fall away sometimes. Yeah. The end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner.
Here it is. Circle between different modes, and there's an app that can control it. It runs off a USB controller device like so. So I have purchased this here 12 volts to USB adapter. This one splits into two USBs, and I intend to have two of these light strips. I have one around this console and one on the dash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect it onto this, into the 12 volts here. Should be straightforward enough. Yeah, red is positive, black is negative, so should be easy enough to do. See how I can get the cable to run from up here down here. I'm not removing the whole thing, just making it a bit loose like so. So I don't think I have to take the whole thing off. Just there's no gap here. Got it. Right, what I've done is I've run it sort of where the steering column is, behind the dash. Because when the LED strip comes through and terminates sort of in this corner here, I'm not sure I'll be able to run the cable behind this trim through this gap here where the starting button goes, because I think it'll be a bit too tight. So I think I'll run it up the top here and and then sort of follow behind the dash. So I've tried to make this as neat and install as possible. So I've got the cabling sort of hidden in there, and then I'll be putting the one for the dash in the cheek there as well. So let's just plug this all back in. So here you can, forgive my hands, it's could use some moisturizer. Anywho, yes, so I've labeled the light strips as you can see there, just to make it easy to control. In the app you can go in and do the calibration. So as you can see there's a green, and then red, and then that before calibrated. You can also set the number of lights where that will be one end, so that's the red end, and it will adjust the length of the blue length. So you follow the blue light and then you set where. So if I drop that to 60, you see the blue light is down here, so then I can adjust that all right to the corners as such, so that'll be 80. So that'll tell it how long the strip is. Okay, but what you can also do is create groups. So I've created a group for that, call it the car. So this allows you to set both strips or both devices in a group together.